certainly, if you have to tell economists what in your view the most important questions, urgent question that economists should you answer. There's no good answer or bad answer. I just now want to have your view. You can tell me whatever you want. Okay? You can tell me cat if you want dogs, whatever you want. What will be what in your view the most important? What is the word that should be the most important in your urgent question? Give me whatever the word you think. I will tell you then what the French people answer about the same question as you. The French people from the same age as you.
Jawabannya apa tahu nggak?
Government.
Government.
Ya.
Kamu apa jawabannya?
Poverty.
Poverty.
Your answer. Oh, but you don't see. The word is the man. No, I mean, important. Just have to share this with maybe stop sharing.
Jolita jawabannya apa?
Poverty moneter.
Apa?
Poverty sama moneter.
Satu atau dua boleh.
But still answering. Now you should stop answering because I don't want you to be influenced by the answer. Okay? We can stop here. Stop sharing. Because otherwise you are influenced. So I will stop that talk to you. So what? You stop answering. So your most of you when I ask this question will answer me about inflation. Okay? Which is important. It is very important. I guess most of you has the first word that must. Okay, let me see what else. Poverty, environment. These are very different. These are something about the way economics work. Okay, this is what we call structural problem. A batu is something that sometimes you have and sometimes you don't have. Okay, so what we'll be talking today is more what determines the long-term perspective of countries. That is question you can feel one day you pay a rupee to buy your bread, the day after more rupee to buy your bread. So now inflation is there. Okay.
Ayam pop, chicken pop.
It looks like Indonesian.
And this is also good if you want. Kikil.
Kikil is skin.
Kikil tunjang sama. Tunjang apa?
Kikil tunjang apa ya?
Leko.
It's a fruit.
Yeah, food. All spicy.
All spicy.
All spicy.
Which one is the nice one?
Like all spicy. Spicy. For me, this one is spicy. Maybe for me,
Maybe.
spicy. More spicy.